Good morning. I am Sandra Habana and welcome to Course 7. Hello class. I'm glad you're all here. Okay, happy to see you again. Alright, so are you ready to study? Okay, very good. I'd like you to tell me your favorite animal and why. Yes, Sue. You like dog? Okay. Why do you like dog? Very loyal. Okay. How about you, James? You like tiger. Okay, why? Very brave. Okay, yes. How about you, Peter? Eagle? Oh, yeah. Why do you like eagle? It can fly high. Yes. Okay, how about you, Anna? You like cats? I like cats too. They're so sweet, I agree. Okay, so yes, we have tiger, dog, eagle, cats. So, do you have pets at home? Yes, Carl. You have a dog. Okay, just like Sue. Yes, I actually have many cats. I can't count anymore how many they are. And then I have a dog. Okay. So, how about, do you watch TV? Okay, of course, yes. What do you watch? What program do you watch? Okay. Mel? Cartoons. Yes, okay. James? Documentary. Yes. I like watching documentary too. Okay. How about you, Carol? Movies. Oh, you like watching movies. Okay, yes. Netflix. Okay. So, I will write something here. Okay. Leopard, alright, makes himself at home. What's the meaning of that? Okay, Ben. Leopard is at home? Anyone? Anyone else? Leopard makes himself at home. Okay, Mia. The leopard goes to somebody's house? Yes, okay. Anybody else? Okay, Ryan. Yes, you got it. So yes, leopard becomes, okay, yes, leopard goes to somebody's home. Yes, but makes himself at home. Leopard becomes comfortable in somebody's home. How does it happen? Or how did it happen? Okay, so yes, today we're going to have a story of this leopard makes himself at home, and then you are going to tell the story just by looking at pictures, and after that you're gonna make a recording. Okay, are you excited? Great, yes, awesome. All right, so look at this verbs, or look at these words, idioms. Okay, so we already had the first one. Make oneself at home. Okay, what's the meaning again of this idiom? Become comfortable. Okay, so make oneself at home. Make yourself at home. You are comfortable to somebody's house. At home. Okay, it means you are in your house. At your house. Okay. Be horrified by something. Yes. Feel shocked or horror. Yes. Run away. Okay, so you have to go out and run. So yes. Fall asleep. Okay. Yes, you sleep. Okay. So excellent. Alright. Now I'd like you to look at the presentation, the story. Okay. So yes, that's all. Thank you.